Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Bob from SMG4. Things you need for this video is paper, pencil, and some markers. I'm going to be using Posca for this video. Now let's get right into this video. Alright people, so the first thing we're going to start for Bob is going to be the head. So you're going to start with a circle. I'm going to be doing like what I did for Kong. And for the Freddy and the glitch effect Freddy Fazbear. Start with a circle and with 2 lines. Then I need to make his body, so it's gonna be like a U shape with another of those lines. Then his arms go like to here and out there. Then his legs. So this is what your like base should be. Then we're gonna make kind of like a smiley face, kind of, but then it's gonna go down to here, out here, to here, and then to here. Then we're gonna add the designs in here. So we're gonna make 2 lines that go down. Then it like curves up with 2 of that in there. And I'm gonna make a line that goes down here. And then all the way up there. Then it's gonna go all the way to there. Then I'm gonna make a line that goes to here, then to there. Then I'm gonna make like triangle patterns. Then inside of like this part, you're just gonna make like a triangle shape. Then you're gonna kind of make like a trapezoid shape, but not really. Then you're gonna make an oval. This one's gonna be a circle, but it's like doing the rock face. I'm joking, but kinda. Then I'm gonna make like a, know how to explain this, like a squiggly line. Then a line that goes all the way to here. And another one that goes out here, right there, and to here. Then right here, you're gonna make a line that goes down, out, and then to there. Then you're gonna make 2 lines. Then now to this one, you're gonna make a line connecting them. Name a line that goes all the way to there, goes out, all the way to here. Make like a bump shape. All the way to here, bump, and we're just gonna stop there once we reach there. Actually, no. It's gonna go all the way to here, stop, line, and another line so it looks like a right angle, kinda. Goes to there, then there. So now you got his shirt. I'm gonna just color around here so you know where to color around his eyes. Then he has like some like, I don't know how I'll call these. So I'm gonna just call them the X's, but he has like X's. So you draw one line and then another one, but it's like half on this side and half on this side, half on that side and half on that side. But this one, this line right here is going across and this one is going under. Then I'm gonna make a line that goes down, goes here, makes like a bump, then goes all the way up here, then goes here, then it's gonna go down to the middle with a bigger one. Then right here, out of that little tiny space, you can make a line that goes all the way here, and then down there with a line in the middle. Now time for his legs. So you draw 2 lines right there. I'm gonna make 1 bump right here, and then another one, and this one's gonna be like a circle. And you gotta add some like lines. And right here, you're gonna make bump, 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 full like circle with the lines. And also right here, you're gonna make a line that goes all the way to here. Then another one that goes around here. And it's gonna go to here. So I'm also gonna color the areas like around this. So this is what your bob should look like. I'm going to show you what the colors you'll need for this. This time, I'm not gonna be shading. The reason I'm not gonna be shading, I'm not using Poscas for this. So the colors you'll need is brown, green-ish, a black, and like a tannish color. Ooh, and I forgot. You'll also need a red and where'd it go? And a yellow. So these should be all your colors. Gotta fast forward to all of this coloring. Now see you guys, hold on. Sorry before. There's like, looks like there's not a lot of colors, but there is. You'll also need a gray. Now, these should be all your colors. Now let's get right into the color pick. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to be using a little smaller Posca just for the details right here. Okay. At the end, this is what your bob should look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to draw bob from SMG4. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button in my hand. This is what your bob should look like. Don't forget to check out my website, TrentCardinal.com. See you guys in the next video.